All right, today we're going to talk about the various tools that home inspectors use, very important tools, but they all have something in common, but we'll get to that in just a moment. This is an elevation tool. It'll tell me the difference in elevation down to 1/32 of an inch, very nice. This is an air sampling pump, mostly designed for air samples for organic growth, moisture meters, digital clamp AC/DC, carbon monoxide testers, and of course radon detection monitors, CRMs. But the one thing that all of these devices have in common is that after a certain amount of time, they require either recalibration or some type of maintenance. This one requires once every 3 years to replace the fluid inside the elevation measuring lines right here. This requires calibration every time you use it. These guys, annual calibration for the moisture meter, firmware updates, got to check for that. Annual calibration for the digital AC/DC clamp. Replace the CO sensors for these guys every 12 to 18 months. Better to do it every 12 months. And then annual calibration for the radon devices. But for today, I'm going to show you how to replace the sensors, the CO sensors for these two devices. Okay, I ordered two sensors for these guys right here. It came in a really large box, but let's see what we get here. There they are. This is good. All right, so these sensors are, like I said, they're right around $175, $185, depending on where you get it. These replacement sensors are about 3 times more expensive than your Home Depot version of a carbon monoxide tester. So why do I say that? I put in the extra money for quality devices because I want quality results. I don't want someone coming in after I've done an inspection and say, hey, it's clear that the results were inaccurate and you put these people's lives at risk by not using quality devices. But here we go. All right, perfect. Got both of these guys replaced with brand new sensors. By the way, I always do 2 devices at the same time. Having 2 devices legally puts you in a better position if the situation goes to litigation.